Welcome to Kalpa Art. We've already practiced a few spiral and swirl patterns, and now it's time to see how we can incorporate them inside our twin line border shapes. These designs are quite common and a great place to start, adding movement and flow to our mandala effortlessly. Let's begin. Filling certain areas with black adds depth and contrast, making the patterns stand out beautifully. If you find some patterns difficult, try sketching them with a pencil first. This will help you get the shape and flow right before going over them with a pen. Let's try this pattern. One of the best ways to make your mandalas more interesting is by layering different patterns together. Try combining dots with lines or adding swirls or drops in the negative spaces of your design. Mixing patterns gives depth and dimension, making your artwork visually richer. Let's try this pattern. What you see now is a fast-forwarded version of the tracing, just like in reels and shorts. It looks quick and effortless, right? But let's not be fooled. This is just for the reel. In real time, creating a neat and precise pattern takes patience. Now watch as I draw the design at a natural pace. Notice the time and focus it takes to maintain accuracy. Every stroke matters. If you'd like to have this practice sheet and practice along with me, feel free to comment yes below and email me at kalpaartauh@gmail.com. I'll send it to you for free. Achieving clean and balanced patterns isn't about rushing, it's about enjoying the process. So take your time, practice steadily, and let the design unfold beautifully. Now, let's add some final touch-ups to make our design even more intricate. Small details can enhance the overall look, bringing more depth and elegance to our mandala. Take your time and enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.